Count the frequency that a value occurs in a data frame column. I have a dataset. I'd like to be able to return something like showing unique values and frequency.
Use value_counts as at DSM commented. Also group B and count. Many ways to skin a cat here. See the online docs. If you wanted to add frequency back to the original data frame, use transform to return an aligned index.
If you want to apply to all columns, you can use. This will apply a column-based aggregation function, in this case value_counts, to each of the columns.
This short little line of code will give you the output you want. If your column name has spaces, you can use
value_counts, returns object containing counts of unique values. Apply, count frequency in every column. If you set axis equals 1, you get frequency in every row. Fill the 0, make output more fancy. Change nan to 0.
If you want some more, please insist something.